And I recently canceled my Netflix subscription, so I'm actually going to go ahead and uninstall that live on video.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
So before we get anything else started here, I am running Pixel Launcher 5.2.0, and that is an old launcher released a very long time ago, but I actually have a downloaded, actually have a file of it on my Google Drive, so I can just use it on any Android device that I have. And if you guys want it, I can actually share the link with you, so just let me know in the comment section. I can get it to you, no issues. As you can see here, we got the date and the weather on the top of the display here. So it's currently 95 degrees, very, very hot. But on the Blue R2 Plus here, it's a little bit different because you do have a notch, and you can see that it has the camera there, and it has the LED flash. Now you get the time on the left side of the device, and you get the, basically your Wi-Fi connection. Google Apps, things like that are in the same spot, but in my Google Apps, I got a couple things here. I got my Maps, my Duo, Drive, Google Fi, Google One, and Google Home, or just Home for the Home Mini that they sent me. And by the way, the reason that a video never came on that device is because I don't really have an interest in using it in my home. I'm not really a person that likes the Google Home Assistant or the Amazon Alexa, just chilling and listening to me. I'll just leave it at mobile devices for now. On the next one here, I actually have an email folder where I keep my Gmail and my Yahoo Mail. We got my Bleacher Report app, basically get up all my sport updates because you need those things. Progressives, my insurance for my car, shopping apps, you got Amazon in there, Best Buy, Walmart, things like that. I got my gaming folder on the home page here too. And I got simple games in here, Hungry Shark, Solitary, Subway Surfer, things that you can play to pass the time. And I got YouTube apps. I keep that separate because I'm a YouTuber, and I gotta have, my studio, my YouTube in a separate folder. And of course, we got the Play Store here. We got Spotify for music, finances, or basically money apps. So my Acorns, my banking, Cash App, of course, and ADP Mobile. I also have Photo Editor. So this is just for me to edit photos on my Instagram. If you haven't seen my Instagram, go ahead and follow me. But one of the key things about the Pixel 5.2 launcher is that you swipe over to the left, you get your Google feed here. So all your cards and everything will be popping up, and I like that. On the bottom of the display here, which is the desktop, you can see I got my phone app, my messaging app, my social media app, my Chrome, and my camera app. Now I got my social media apps in here because I am on social media a lot. From I don't want to say from time to time. I'm on it a lot, and it's easier for me to just have it in the center because if I'm always swiping up, hitting that right there, it's like boom. Apps along these things, like apps in the actual desktop, are used the most for me, so that's why I put them there. So if I scroll up into my application drawer here, you can see this is pretty much basic apps. So I got Colornote here, that's my note-taking app. I use that to take all my notes. See, the issue with having so many phones is that you would install applications and it would be on one particular phone and it won't be on another one. So you would be confused as to which phone has it and which phone doesn't. I have a ton of different phones. Some phones have applications that I use all the time. Some of them don't. For example, I'll have an application that's big and heavy on the Huawei Mate SE, and I won't have it on the Blue R2 Plus. And I recently canceled my Netflix subscription, so I'm actually going to go ahead and uninstall that live on video. I don't really have too many apps on this device here because it is only 16 gigs internal storage. And like I said, I do have a micro SD card in there, but it actually ended up slowing the device down, and that was the last thing I wanted to do. So I might end up just taking it out and just putting it in another phone. One of my favorite apps is Wallcraft. Basically, you can just get 4K wallpapers and change your wallpaper on your device. You can change it to, anything you can imagine, and you can download it at 4K quality. I got speed test. And on all my Android phones here, I don't have Geekbench, AnTuTu Benchmark, or CPU-Z or any of those applications on the device anymore, because I come to figure out that those devices or those applications slow the device down. And so in turn, when you want a device to run faster, yes, you don't want those on there, and at the same time, they aren't necessities. Like, you don't need them on your phone for it to run appropriately. Other than that, it's pretty much the same old. Nothing really much has changed, but with those few minor changes, I figured I'd go ahead and do a video of it here. Leave a comment, let me know what kind of applications are you running on your device. What is your current daily driver at the moment? My current daily driver is the Blue Vivo 11 here. Love this phone, absolutely awesome. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.